Alright, so I'm going to be showing, this is a common problem with these MacBook Pros. I believe the model numbers go from 2009 to 2012, so 2009, 10, 11, and 12. But anyways, a lot of times the hard drive cables go bad. We're going to see if that's the issue with this one. It's not guaranteed, but a lot of times if your MacBook is having trouble reading the hard drive or the data, it's showing a folder with a question mark, or it's just not starting up or something, or it's having issues like glitching out, then a lot of times it ends up, if you didn't drop the MacBook, a lot of times it ends up being a bad hard drive cable. So this is a common issue. Sorry if the lighting is weird. I actually have a power outage right now. It's really windy outside and the cables got, I guess the power got knocked out. But anyways, remove all the screws. This is using a PH or a JIS 0 screwdriver. There's 4 on the back, 2 on the sides, and then 4 more on the bottom. You want to keep all the screws in order. You don't want to mix them all around. They are different sizes and shapes and lengths. This goes for every computer you work on. It's always a good idea to keep them in order and put the same screws back where you got them. Okay. Alright, so let's take out all the screws. Alright, so now we got all 10 screws out. What you want to do is towards the back, just lift this up and pull it up. And then you'll have the cover under here. So I'm just going to show the hard drive thing because all the other stuff is very common. I'm pretty sure I showed them. But the battery, you basically just pull up this connector here. I'm going to leave that in place. I believe this connector is for the microphone. No, that's not for the microphone. That's for, I think, the battery indicator thing on the side. The battery on here is actually dead, so I guess I'm not going to be able to completely test this. But anyways, what you want to do, the hard drive is right here. Remove the 2 screws. So you could either buy another cable to test it, but because I don't stock up a billion of these cables, I actually have a USB adapter to do this. Okay, so yeah, I'm not gonna take out everything on this model. There's the RAM here. If you want to take it out, you just pull these things to the side and you can get the RAM up, and then you just pull them out. But these RAM 2 gig PC3 12800S, so if you wanted, you can upgrade this to, I believe there's 2, you can put 2 8 gig sticks and get 16 gigs. Most people don't need more than 8 gigs of RAM. Anyways, I'm going to close this up for now. If the battery's dead, I'm not going to be able to do this, but let's see. So what you want to do, you get a USB to SATA adapter or SATA to USB adapter like this. Plug in the SATA connector to the hard drive, and then plug this into the Mac, and we're going to actually try and boot from this. So the battery is blinking, so I don't think it's going to turn on, but basically what you do, you press the power button and then hold the option key. Yeah, it's completely dead. So you would hold the option key, the Mac will turn on, and it should show the boot options. If you see your Mac hard drive, then chances are the internal hard drive cable is bad and you'd have to replace that. You can actually use the computer while it's connected this way. It'll just be slower. But anyways, I guess that's the universe telling me to go to sleep. I think it's like 1 a.m. or something now. I've been staying up really late the last several days. I think I only slept 2 hours yesterday. So yeah, I guess the universe is telling me I should get some sleep. But anyways, that's how you would check the hard drive to see if it's the hard drive cable or the hard drive itself. Plug it into the outside, press and hold the Alt key after you press the power button. It should show the boot options. If you see the hard drive, chances are your hard drive cable's bad and your hard drive is okay. Alright, so tomorrow morning, I guess, or as soon as the power comes on, if that wakes me up, I'm going to test this. But I'm not going to make a video for that. And then also I have another Mac that I need to work on, and I still need to install Windows on another laptop that I just did a video for. So anyways, hopefully this video was useful to you guys. Sorry I didn't get to show everything, but if it was, like and subscribe, help others find my videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.